So guys, it is FOMC week and this is set to be super anticipated, and for the stock market this is super interesting because S&P 500 and the Nasdaq is very close to a new all-time high. But what we have seen before in September and in October is that we saw an initial sell-off during this event. During the announcement of the rate cut, we did get a sell-off, obviously because of Jerome Powell's speech afterwards. However, this time I don't believe it will be any different. So I believe that we will have a sell-off. We will have a very shaky week in the stock market. It will be very volatile. People will be selling, people will be buying, and people will basically do things without even knowing what they're doing. So if you want to know exactly how to manage this week, join the free Discord. Link is in my bio. I will be sharing everything there. And also, for the last two rate cuts, it has been selling off. As I said, you have to, and the moral of the story is that you have to look to history. You have to look at previous data. It is right now 89.6% chance and probability for another rate cut, 25 basis points. And also you have to think long term because next year is set to be 2 more rate cuts. Of course, this can change. If we get Kevin Hassett as the next chairman of Fed, we will most likely see more than 2 rate cuts. So guys, think broad, think for the long run, and think what in steps ahead. Don't think about just like what is happening right now. You have to think about the future. So obviously, with that being said, you have to think about employment. You have to think about inflation. You have to think about all these money flowing into the system now that when the QE stopped. Obviously, it's not until QT stopped. It's not until the QE starts we'll have a bigger push in the stock market. So guys, again, join the free Discord. Link is in my bio. There's over 600 members right now, and I've grown this community from 0 to above 600 people in just 8 weeks. So guys, hit that follow and join the free Discord. See you later.